Shop owner need to update the order of pickup, delivery, or cancellation of order every day before closing. When shop owner click the Update Order button, the Update Order page will display. Shop owner able to choose the category he would like to update, which are Update Pickup, Update Delivery, or Update Cancellation. When he chooses the Update Pickup, the Update Pickup page will display. The order date, customer ID, ready time, pickup time will display automatically based on the order made by the customer. The shop owner only need to select whether the status of order is successful or failed. Shop owner click the back button to return back to the update order page and repeat the same way when update the delivery. The information of order will display automatically also based on the order made by the customer, and the shop owner only need to select the status, which is successful or failed. Last but not least, when shop owner cancel the order of customer, shop owner need to update the reason of cancellation. The information of the order made by the customer will also display automatically. However, the shop owner need to enter the reason why he canceled the order made by the customer. That's all from my presentation. Thank you.